day to you children. Today we are going to recite a poem, A Good Play, okay, written by R.L. Stevenson, Robert Louis Stevenson. Now first we are going to start with a warm up. Do you like to play? Can you play alone? So children, do you like to play? And can you play alone? What kind of games do you like to play? So you have to tell to your teacher which type of games you like to play. See, how do you use your imagination when you play alone with your friends? Okay, so now we are going to start with the poem. We built a ship upon the stairs, all made of the back bedroom chairs, and filled it full of sofa pillows to go a-sailing on the billows. We took a saw and several nails and water in the nursery pails. And Tom said, let us also take an apple and a slice of cake, which was enough for Tom and me to go a-sailing on till tea. We sailed along for days and days and had the very best of plays. But Tom fell out and hurt his knee, so there was no one left but me. Children, here the poet is talking about his childhood. Now when he and his brother were small, so they used to play at home. Okay. So now I am going to explain you with the stanzas. First, we built a ship upon the stairs, all made of the back bedroom chairs. So children, when the poet was small, okay, so he used to play with the chairs and he used to play with all the toys which are there at home. Then and filled it full of sofa pillows to go a-sailing on the billows. So what they did? They built a ship on the stairs. Okay, he and his brother, they both used to play at home. We took a saw and several nails and water in the nursery pails. So they what they did? They took several nails and then water in the nursery pails. And Tom said, now who is Tom? Tom is poet's brother. Let us also take an apple and a slice of cake. So here the poet is saying that his brother is saying that we should take an apple and a slice of cake, so we can eat that when we are playing, which was enough for Tom and me. So now an apple and a slice of cake is enough for Tom and for the poet to go a-sailing on till tea. So this much food will be sufficient for them. We sailed along for days and days and had the very best of plays. So children, every day they used to play at home, okay, and they used to play the best games. But Tom fell out and hurt his knee. But what happened one day? Poet's brother Tom fell out and he hurt his knee. So there was no one left but me. So what happened? The poet was all alone because his brother got hurt and they didn't play that game for days and days. Means for several days they didn't play that game. So here in A Good Play, the poet is saying that when they were small, in their childhood, they used to play with the things which were there at their home, like nails, bedroom chairs, staircase was there, and they used to play the best of plays. Okay, children? So new words. First one is BILL OWS, billows. Then PAIL, pale. Now we are going to start with evaluate, understanding the poem. A. Tick the right options to complete these sentences. First, the speaker is playing with Tom or Tim. So the poet was playing with his brother, right? So the speaker is playing with Tom. The ship was built on. The ship was built upon the stairs. So the ship was built on the stairs. Third, they carried water in a big mugs or in nursery pails. So they took water in the nursery pails. Fourth, Tom fell out and hurt his knee. Now answer this question. Okay children. So this I am going to give in your notebook. So children, we have finished our poem. I hope you have understood the poem as well as the matter. Thank you children. We'll see you soon.